Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we're making this delicious, silky, smooth mushroom soup that provides 10 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber per 8-ounce serving. A great side dish in my opinion. First, prepare a can of cannellini beans in a blender. All the white beans like navy or gray northern beans will work too. As you can see, I used the canned bean liquid here instead of water to puree the beans. I find this helps to make my soup smooth and silky. Just make sure there are no lumps. Now slice 4 cups of mushrooms. That's about 15 medium mushrooms. I like to have some chew to the mushrooms in my soup, so I slice them about 1/4 inch thick. I use brown mushrooms here because they give a firm and hearty texture that I like. Any color or types of mushrooms will work for this recipe, so feel free to use whatever you like or is available to you. Now finely dice 1 cup of yellow onion, and that's about a half of a large onion. Let's make the soup now. Pour a half tablespoon of olive oil in a soup pot on a medium-high heat. Saute the onions until they are translucent. Then add the mushrooms and a half tablespoon of minced garlic. This combination of onions, mushrooms with garlic smells really good. Don't be nervous if they look dry to you right now. Mushrooms have a high water content and will provide lots of moisture later, so just keep on sauteing. See the moisture in the pot now? I want to be able to bite into the mushroom pieces, so I just let them cook down to the size that I like. Then add 2 cups of regular chicken broth. Use vegetable broth if you want to make it vegan style. Add a pureed bean liquid to the pot. Flavor the soup with thyme and Worcestershire sauce. Bring the soup to a boil, then turn the stove down to simmer for 10 to 12 minutes without a cover. Stir once in a while. Cook the soup until the volume has cooked down by 25%. See how the soup has cooked down on the right compared to when we started the soup on the left? Notice we're not adding additional salt to this soup. For me, the salt from the bean liquid and regular chicken broth in the soup give enough saltiness. You can add more salt at the end according to your taste. Add red wine vinegar to the soup before serving to brighten the flavor. Doesn't this soup look good? It has silky and smooth taste, but most importantly, it is delicious. I hope you will give this soup a try if you like mushrooms. Happy eating and see you next time.